Hello my friends and welcome back to another vlog. This is not a weekly vlog, but it is a weekend vlog. And that's because I've actually got a fun weekend for once. I'm going to Laneway tomorrow and I'm really excited about it, and we decided to make a whole girls weekend out of it. So I'm about to go pick up my friend George. It's really hot, so I'm trying to talk really fast so I can turn the aircon back on. But I will see you guys once we get into the city and hopefully show you our hotel room. We have made it! I'm with George. We're in the car park of our hotel. Just getting all our stuff out of the car, unloading. I'll show you the hotel room in a second. We just checked it out. Looks good. We're literally here for 2 days.
I know, look how much stuff we got. Crazy.
So much stuff. This is George's as well, but she's not here yet. Why do we have this many things for 2 days?
You just put me checking myself out.
I'm going to show you guys a little room tour, or like a hotel room tour. I thought it would be a bit fun. I don't really do things like this. George and I were saying that we never really come and stay in the city. When we go for holidays, it's always to the beach. So it's a bit fun. Feeling a bit fancy, honestly. A little bit fancy. It wasn't expensive, it was Airbnb, but it just feels fancy. But here's our door. When you first walk in, there's a little kitchen and a George. It's actually a really nice size, and we like have everything we need, like kettles and toasters and stuff as well. Then immediately on your right you have a little bathroom which also attaches to the bedroom, so that looks very nice, very fancy, very lovely. And then when you walk straight through past the kitchen, we have the lounge room and a little trundle bed, because it is only a 1-bedroom, but save money where you can, kids. And then obviously lounge room and a little tiny dining table, which leads out into a little tiny deck, which George cannot open.
It would be cool if I got that really quickly, but
you didn't. Failed us again. Well, anyway, we have this that we could go on to if we wanted to. This is our view, which is actually really pretty. Oh, you figured it out? Wow.
Hello, Brisbane.
Hello, Brisbane. Oh, that's a bit scary. Interesting. All right, we're on the 24th floor, so this is kind of nice. Anyway, back we hop. Then we go back through the lounge room. A little mirror. Hello, my outfit is a little 2-piece set from Princess Polly. I actually really love it. Super comfy.
It looks really cute.
Thanks. Oh, here's a full-length mirror. Oh, good full-length mirror. We could all
get like a squad peek.
We could all sit along here doing our makeup in the morning too. Up there is the bathroom, which I already showed you, and then here is the master, I guess, or just like the only.
Yeah. And it's got no lights in here other than this.
Yeah, it's a bit strange. I feel like it should have a light there, but it's just a knob.
Yeah.
Wait, is that supposed to be a smoke detector? Because is there not one? Is that a safety hazard? Oh yeah, oh no, it's a sprinkler.
Oh yeah, for when it's
Oh, interesting. But that is our room tour. We're waiting for George to finish work. We're gonna hang out here, probably get some content. Yeah. There is a pool and a gym here. So yeah, we might check those out maybe after we've chilled out for a second and had something to eat, because I'm getting hungry. But there's our little room tour for you guys. Just 2 girls going on a safari. We're gonna go upstairs and check out the pool and maybe have a look at the gym as well. Yeah. But we thought we'll just chuck on some cute clothes in case there's a
pick opportunity.
So I don't have to come all the way back down and then back up again. But we'll see how we go. Outfit number 2, and we're doing some shooting again. We just actually finished shooting in this outfit, so we're probably gonna head up. Should we do another one? Yeah, let's do another one. Do you have another idea? Yeah. I think I want I think I want something in the lobby. I would like to do my longer skirt with like heels and stuff on the stairs, but I don't know if the lighting will work. Yeah. So we'll have to wait and see. Outfit number 27.
Smash my phone!
You okay? Ruining my vlog once again. Look at my cute dinner dates. We went and got some Mexican from GYG because it's our fave, and just really easy. And then we're gonna go down to Eagle Street Pier later tonight and just have some drinky drinks and party away. Pre-Laneway. It is a lot later now. It is literally 10 p.m. and I would normally be in bed. I've been up since 4 a.m. so I'm really struggling. But we're about to go out and just walk around Eagle Street Pier pretty much. Just have a look at the bars and stuff that they have here. I'll show you my dress I'm wearing. You may see it in a haul, / you may have already seen it in a haul, but it's from Princess Polly and I really like it. It's like a Valentine's Day-ish thing. Okay, we're gonna go now. I do not know what's going on. Good morning guys, it is now Saturday and I woke up maybe about 45 minutes ago. I think we went to bed almost at midnight, which is so late for me, and I'd been up since 4 a.m. so I was exhausted. And I literally woke up today at 8 a.m. I do not remember the last time I woke up at 8 a.m. but I definitely needed it. It was so good. But this morning we're just hanging out for a little while. We don't really have to start getting ready till maybe like 10 or 10:30 or a bit later, whenever we feel like it, because we won't be heading into the festival till after 12 probably. So the other girls have just gone to get coffee, but I brought my own stuff to make my own coffee from home because that's just like what I drink every day. So I'm making myself some coffee now while they go do that, and I'm gonna just like clean up the room a little bit just so it's easier to get ready and everything like that. But I'm excited for today. It should be fun. Still don't know what I'm wearing. I've brought a few options. I'm a bit stressed, but it's fine. I have just showered and washed my hair and then blow dried my hair, and now it's time to actually start getting ready. Let's get ready.
Skies of a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming.
Finally ready. I just put my hair up in a little ponytail and Georgia curled it for me, and this is my outfit. It is pretty simple, pretty cash. I'm not a crazy person. So my top is from Nasty Gal. My belt is from Pretty Little Thing, I think. I've never worn it before, but I've had it for ages. My shorts are the ones I wear pretty much every time I wear shorts, and they're from Princess Polly, but they're A-brand denim. And then I'm just wearing Docs with some little red socks from Kmart. This is the back of my shirt, so it has a little bit more design on it. And then my earrings, the big ones are from Princess Polly and the little ones are from Kmart. So we're gonna go take some pics and then head into the festival, which I'm so excited about. I think the first person we're gonna go see is Jess B. And the people I'm most excited about is probably, I don't know how to say her name, Beanie, and also Rule. They're my like two top faves, but excited. I'm only gonna bring my phone in just because I don't want to carry around my camera, but I'll get some little clips for you guys here and there. And I think I will film it and I just won't worry about copywriting, because if I get copyrighted, I don't get money from this, but that's totally fine. I think I'd rather have memories of the actual music than just like random clips with no sound. So
Go, barely go. I'm not searching for a miracle.
It gets you down, and that's okay. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. Watching you now, that's wishful thinking. You want me, baby, just feel lonely. I'm still sleeping, at least that's something.
Cause your lips are calling and just recalling the way I could never resist.
Hello guys, future editing Rachel here. I just wanted to drop in and say, believe it or not, but the next few clips that you're about to see, we are not drunk. We have no alcohol in our system. I know it looks like we're drunk, but I think we're just sleep deprived. So yeah, I saw some comments on George's vlog being like, oh my gosh, they're drunk. And nope, just delirious, just some girls having fun. I had maybe half a drink that whole day, so sorry to disappoint. So we have just got home. We actually didn't just get home. Wait, do we have a... I left the key in the door, you idiot. So we got home from Laneway. It's actually really sad. The 1975 had to cancel, so we didn't get to see them, which is really sad. But we got home, then we went to the rooftop and went for a swim, and it was kind of cold. And then we decided to get some Uber Eats, so we're now picking up our Uber Eats from the lobby. But our Uber Eats guy is calling Georgia, and we're kind of stressed. I'm wearing my pajamas, which is a 3XL men's shirt.
I hope it. Dog pajamas.
My dog Christmas pajamas. So,
What? That smells so dang good.
no, the elevator. Oh, actually, I was like, if they spill my Sunday. By the way, we haven't had anything. This is us sober. I'm just stressed. They're all gonna think we're drunk. Food haul.
Literally dressed like the biggest. Oh, big boy.
Food haul. I have a sundae, some fries, and a chicken burger that's upside down. Love that for me. And for us all.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
So it is now Sunday morning. We went for a beautiful swim this morning. It was so good. We woke up early, watched the sunrise, so we're probably gonna be pretty wrecked by tonight, but it was really good. And now we're just about to leave. So we've cleaned up the hotel, gonna say goodbye, grab some breakfast and some coffee on the way home, and then back to real life. But it was such a good weekend. Goodbye, hotel room. Just got home. Oh, I'm definitely sunburned from the pool this morning. My room is an absolute mess right now. I didn't clean it before I left, and there is just stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna do a giant cleaning montage because hopefully that'll motivate me to get it done ASAP Rocky, and we'll just see how good we can get this. Hello guys, it is a lot later now. My camera actually died right after I finished filming the last clip, but I went to church and I charged my camera battery, and now I'm about to go to sleep. It's like 9 p.m. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go to bed. I have to wake up at 4 for work, so love that for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little weekend in my life. I feel like it was such a mess of a vlog. Like all the footage is probably just a bit chaotic, but it was just fun. But I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.